It is truly remarkable to think about the distances we cover on foot throughout our lives. The fact that an average person walks the equivalent of 3 times around the world in their lifetime is a testament to the incredible capabilities of the human body and the journeys we embark upon. When we consider the daily activities that involve walking, it's not surprising that the accumulated distance adds up over time. From short walks to the kitchen or bathroom to longer walks during daily commutes, shopping trips, and leisurely strolls, each step contributes to this impressive feat. In childhood, we begin by taking our first wobbly steps, gradually building strength and balance. As we grow older, walking becomes second nature, an activity that requires minimal thought. Whether it's walking to school, playing with friends, or participating in sports, we continue to accumulate steps, oblivious to the distance we're covering. Throughout our teenage and adult years, walking becomes intertwined with our daily routines. We walk to work, school, or university, navigating busy streets and crowded sidewalks. We walk during breaks and lunch hours, stretching our legs and clearing our minds. Even recreational activities such as hiking, jogging, or simply exploring nature contribute to the overall distance we cover. It's not just the routine walks that contribute to this astonishing fact. Special occasions and travels add significant distances as well. Vacations often involve exploring new cities, historical sites, and natural wonders. We walk along the streets of bustling metropolises, trek through remote landscapes, and hike up mountains to witness breathtaking vistas. These extraordinary experiences not only enrich our lives but also contribute to the grand total of steps we take. Of course, it's important to acknowledge that the distance walked can vary depending on individual circumstances. Some people may have more active lifestyles, engaging in regular exercise or participating in physically demanding professions. Others may have mobility limitations that reduce the distance they cover. However, as an average, the fact